Was a little bit worse, but and my mom's car went down and I couldn't drive that anymore. I'll save that. That is going to be trash, but until I get my trash can here, that's what it is. So, but yeah, that's what I wanted to do, is get that stuff out of there. You know, I did buy some more tools. These things, for instance, these are punches to get. Sometimes you'll get what do they call it? They're little like round pins. They're hollow, and when you tap them in, they hold in sometimes pedals in that. You use that to tap it out and it becomes clean. So, but yeah, let's just drop these off for right now. These cats come out. This one I can't find a name on it, but they came from the same car. But I need to cut the cat off of that, or the rest of the metal. But this one's worth some money, because right there it says Toyota. This was actually a Toyota. So, but yeah, and I want to get this out of here, because I don't like it hanging over the front of the truck. I'll have to, yeah, I'll have to recover that. But this one I want out of here. So for right now, I'm just gonna put it up here. Just for right now. Fish it in so it doesn't, and I don't know if you guys see the pink bag right there. There's a fan behind it, but unfortunately it's going the other way. The difference between this one and the other one is the outlet is up front, not all the way in the back. So, and this one. And this one I'll put over here. Right there. Just because that's going to go into this metal pile. But this I got to take apart. There's a ring right there that I gotta take off. I'm just gonna set this down here for right now. Move this over there. Really. Move that right there. I just don't want anything to fly out of the truck. This is a piece of extruded aluminum. It's painted, but it won't be painted after I get done with it. I'm sorry to say, but clean is a lot better than painted. So I put this right there. That is, those two parts are the only parts that are actually touching the concrete right now. So and this I don't want to blow out, and this, that's all aluminum, so whatever's in it, I'll clean it up and empty it and all that. But yeah, that should be good for right now. I feel a lot better now. But I do want to get this and this. It's a faucet. The radio I gotta take apart. And what else do I want to get rid of? Oh, get rid of this faucet. I'm just trying not to keep anything in it that somebody's going to try to take. Copper. And I'll just put this copper inside there. I got copper all over the place in here, but I'll be doing a video on that shortly. And then this, that's aluminum. Either aluminum or brass is going to come in these. Most of them are brass. But if you're the type of person just take it and throw it away, what I mean by throw away is just throw it in a scrap pile so they benefit from it and you, not you, then that's what you're missing out of that, is the brass. A lot of it has brass. I'd have to say 75% of it is brass, and the rest of it is aluminum. So, but yeah, a little bit better. I'll go home now and say I gotta take this apart. See, this is what I'm talking about. That punch that I showed you guys. See that hole? See that round little pin with the slit in the side? Let's see if I can bring it up. I'm trying to find out what side it's over here. See that? That's what those do. So what you do is you set this down, clamp it to the table, take the pin, put it right up on top, and you tap it out. And everything that is metal in there slides right out. These, they come right out. This is aluminum. And then you find out is that right there. Do the same thing. You take the punch, put it there, bang it, move it, and keep doing it. Because actually might not have to. I think that spring is aluminum. Let's see. Nope, it's metal. Oh well. So yeah, I gotta take that apart too, but I'll show you that in videos to come. Let's put you up a little bit more, because it's not flat against my head.